Hey guys, today I'm going to show you something really cool. My name's Russell and I'm going to show you how to turn water to ice instantly. For this experiment I used a bottle of pure filtered water, a bucket big enough to fit the bottle in, loads of ice and salt, water, a thermometer and a big bowl. Let me show you how this is done. Water usually freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. This is filtered water, so the ice crystals have nothing to cling to. The reason we use salt in this experiment is because it makes the water get colder. When the salt dissolves, the water can't combine with the ice. The temperature wouldn't balance at 0 degrees. Ta-da! Instant ice. I had to be really careful not to bang the bottle. The water would have frozen up and ruined the experiment. Imagine doing this in the summer. You could use some flavouring and make yourself an instant ice lolly.